Plant names are very fascinating. Tree names or plant names are of two types: common names, local names, and scientific names. Scientific names are based on the features of the flowers, leaves, or the uses, or any peculiar feature of tree bark or fruit. Whereas common names also are named by the people after usage or some kind of observation of peculiar feature. We are familiar with visual art of calligraphy, means writing beautifully. So based on the beauty of stamens, the tree has been named as Callistemon. Calli means derived from the word kalos, which means beauty, and stemon means stamens, male part of the flower. So beauty in the flowers of Callistemon is not because of petals. Mostly the petals are beautiful, as in roses, as in lotus. But here the beauty is because of very long red colored stamens. And flowers grow in bottle brush like inflorescence. They are stalkless, flowers are stalkless, and they are arranged in a fashion which gives it a look of a bottle brush, which we use in homes for brushing and cleaning the milk bottles. Callistemon previously segregated as a genus by Robert Brown in the year 1814 based on the bottle brush like floral inflorescence. But prior to this, similar looking flowers, similar looking plants in Australia, they have been described by the Linnaeus as Melaleuca, and that was the year 1764. And even prior to Linnaeus' description, it was first described by the Rumphius in 1741. The tree which he looked, it had the white bark, so it was named by Rumphius as Arbor albus, Arbor alba, which was taken by the Linnaeus and renamed as Melaleuca leucodendron. The plant which is Melaleuca leucodendron and the bottle brush which we find in Indian gardens, both of resemble each other. Many bottle brushes previously named as Callistemon have been now transferred or shifted under the genus Melaleuca. So Callistemon viminalis, which is weeping wattle brush, seen in Jammu floriculture parks and gardens, has hanging pendulous beeping like habit due to the pendulous branches. Similar type of habit is also seen in many willow species, for example Salix babylonica, which is also known as beeping willow in Kashmir, and the Salix viminalis is also there, which also have the similar looking branches. Salix babylonica is called Laila Majnu in Kashmir, but in Jammu and northern India, Callistemon viminalis is also known as Laila Majnu by natives. Another name is bottle brush because it is bottle brush like inflorescence, which is the red. Leaves are aromatic. If we crush the leaves, we have the aroma. And when it is flowering, many birds, bees, beetles, thrips, even bats and squirrels, they also come in search of nectar. Many nectarivorous birds feed on the flowers of Callistemon, now called as Melaleuca. Honey eaters, sunbirds, flower peckers, silver eyes, even lorikeets and parakeets have been seen foraging in the flowers of butterbrush trees, which are very popular garden ornamentals. In Himalayas, we are familiar with the birch tree, Bhojpatra, known for its exfoliating, papery bark. Similar trait of papery bark and white papery bark is seen in Melaleuca. Both Melaleuca and previously classified Callistemons, now called Melaleucas, they are endemic to Australian Queensland. And in Melaleuca proper, usually the first type species under the genus was Melaleuca leucodendron or leucodendra, have the name origin out of Mela means black, Leuca means white, Melaleuca. So these trees in native habitat of Australia are resistant to fire. Normally the bark is white, but after fires it turns black. So it was the first specimen while describing the Melaleuca. It was named as Melaleuca because it was fire burnt black bark of that particular specimen. Melaleuca leucodendron, leuca again white, dendron. So because of its white wood, white bark, which exfoliates like Bhojpatra, birch, it has been named as Sitanshu in Hindi. And Sitanshu is another name for moon because of white bark. So it is also known as white bark tree. Another name, mostly Callistemons, they grow in bit dry areas, but they can also tolerate waterlogging, seasonal waterlogging. But Melaleucas are the mostly growing in the swampy habitats. So it was the James Cook's first voyage to Australia from Europe, England, HMS Endeavour, where they landed first at the Botany Bay and they noticed the Melaleuca trees. So during the return, even the sailors used the leaves of this particular Melaleuca for brewing the tea, and input was obtained from the aboriginals, original inhabitants of Australia. So these trees, Melaleucas, are also known as tea trees, and the tea can be brewed from the leaves, can be brewed from the flowers, and since they are aromatic, it also affords aroma to the tea. So even Callistemon viminalis, weeping bottlebrush, which we find in Jammu, its leaves or flowers can also be boiled and taken as a herbal tea. So Melaleuca leucodendron is also known as swamp tea tree or white tea tree, in Hindi as Sitanshu. also known as cajupet tree. The word cajuput is from the Malayan origin, local word for the tree. It is also known as punk tree. Its leaves are broader as compared to our Callistemon viminalis, now known as Melaleuca viminalis. Here leaves are narrower, linear, lanceolate. But in case of Melaleuca leucodendron, they are a bit broader, elliptic, egg-shaped. And flower in Callistemon viminalis, in our common garden bottle brush, it's predominantly scarlet red, whereas in Melaleuca leucodendron it is white. When Robert Brown segregated some plants as a genus Callistemon, it was based only on the beauty of the stamens, and character was stamens are free, whereas in Melaleuca the stamens are present in bundles. So there are 5 bundles of stamens, and in each bundle the filaments are fused at the base and they unite to the floral tube below. Whereas in case of Callistemon viminalis, we find all filaments free, but they are also showing a tendency towards bundling. So this particular observation in Callistemons are also, there are species and there are specimens where we find the bundling of the stamens. So they are not all scattered and free, but they also have a tendency towards the bundling. So it was the year 2014 when, based on the DNA analysis, it was established by Lindley and Wilson that these 2 genera should be made one genus, because Melaleuca has a precedence. It was the genus established by Linnaeus way back in 1764, whereas Callistemon genus was established much later in 1814 by Robert Brown. So presently, based on scientific evidence, DNA research, as per latest taxonomy, our Callistemon viminalis should be named as Melaleuca viminalis, which is our common bottle brush. There are species in Melaleucas which show the bottle brush like inflorescences, but in some species they have the globular or globose heads also. Another species which is found even in UK, planted as garden ornamental, is Melaleuca citrina. Earlier it was called as Callistemon citrinus. If we crush its leaves, it has the citrus leaf or citrus fruit like odor. Its branches are not that much drooping or weeping, and even flower spike is also little shorter. Cajuput tree, Melaleuca leucodendron, stands introduced in Indian gardens. It can be seen in many gardens in Maharashtra, Delhi, Bangalore, Lal Garden, Lal Bagh, and Dehradun. Melaleuca leucodendron is also known for the cajuput oil, which is commercially exploited from another species of Melaleuca, Melaleuca alternifolia, which is commercially cultivated, and this cajuput oil is also used as antifungal, antibacterial agent, and cajuput oil is also useful in joint pains, against rheumatism, and for the skin care. This oil or even the tea made out of the leaves and flowers of Melaleuca or the earlier Callistemon is useful against lung congestion. It can be used as an expectorant to bring out the phlegm. So it is very useful in even in cough and colds. So Melaleuca or Callistemon, now accepted genus name under Melaleuca. They are aromatic trees known for the beautiful flower arrangements and colors. They are endemic to Australia. They belong to the guava amarud family Myrtaceae. Character is number of stamens, which is more than 25-30, mostly even up to 100. And mostly in most of these species, the stamens are present in 5 bundles. Petals are reduced. Callistemon citrina roots are also known to excrete a herbicide which is known as leptospermone. Leptospermone, it has been used to have the synthetic analog as mesotrichotone. So this insecticidal property, herbicidal property of Leptospermum scoparium, from which this particular compound was originally extracted, that plant also belongs to Myrtaceae family. But in case of Leptospermum scoparium, stamens are not that long. They are even less than petal length, less than corolla, shorter than corolla. In case of related another genus Kunzia, also we have the stamens, but they are bit longer than the petals. But in case of Callistemon, they are much longer and brush-like. Another tree which we find in Jammu gardens and most of the Indian gardens is known as golden wattle brush. Its leaves are little smaller in size, but they are also aromatic, having the citrus smell. But its flowers spikes are short, and in each flower spike usually the color is white, and flowers grow in either individually, singly, solitary, or in a group of 3, and each group is subtended by a bracket, leaf like bracket, and this is known as Melaleuca bracteata, which is also seen in Jammu parks and gardens. Honeybees, they feast in large numbers on the flowers of Melaleuca bracteata as compared to Callistemon viminalis. Previously they were in 2 different genera, although commonly called as bottle brush because of bottle brush like inflorescence, but now present classification, they are all treated under the Melaleuca from the family Myrtaceae. The Myrtaceae name of the plant family is named after Myrtus communis, which usually we see under cultivation in Kashmir Mughal gardens. And the flowers are white, many stamens and white petals, and they are stalked. The fruits in case of Callistemon are present Melaleuca, they are woody capsules, round woody capsules with minute seeds inside. And one of the unique feature of Melaleuca and Callistemon is that capsules do not release seeds for years. Sometimes they release seeds after 1 year, sometimes even after many years. They wait for the forest fires to occur in the native habitat of Australia. So they are fire resistant and they are adapted to frequent fire events in the native habitat of Queensland and Australia. So this particular distinction, we can segregate the Myrtus communis of Kashmir. Here the fruit is not woody capsule like Callistemon or Melaleuca, rather it is a fleshy berry, blue colored berry, and that can be eaten also and also made into kind of liquors. And that